tell y'all, this truck is going to be much nicer than I ever anticipated. And for sure, it's way more than Donna ever intended, because all she wanted was a truck to haul garbage in, mulch, that sort of stuff. That was her intent when she bought this thing. And she reminds me of that daily as I head out here to get work done. Box number 1 on Flowmaster. We got a little bin there. Let's move on to box number 2. I know one thing, my razor blade is not very sharp. Utility knife, whatever you want to call it. When I talked to Steve at Holly, I told him I don't have a clue what I want for exhaust on this thing, other than I really don't want it super loud. But the other thing is Baby D, you know, has got the fuel tank running along the frame rail on the driver's side, so that means the exhaust got to come out of the headers, and the one on the driver's side's got to turn and go over and then go back. And Steve and I talked about it, and I think that's what we got right here, of doing a 2 exhaust pipes headed into 1 muffler with a 3-inch exit. Now, if that's what he ended up doing, I don't know, but we're about to find out. All right, Flowmaster Super 50 series, and I think we are doing something a little different, because there is 1 muffler, 1 in, 1 out. So Steve has an idea, and we will ask him about that, as to what he thinks we should do here. Box with a little 2-into-1, which would make sense into that 1 muffler. Some isolators for hanging the exhaust. Holly hooking it up with the Flowmaster items. I'm loving it. Loving it. So I see a real problem with all this nice stuff. Problem is, I can weld, but not that well. So we have here what appears to be, oh yeah, a nice exhaust tip, already coated black. That's nice. Comment down below where y'all think we ought to run the exhaust out. Straight out the back, out behind the back tire on the passenger side, or in front of the tire. Y'all, post it up in the comments. Let me know. I think these are the hangers. Yep, that's exactly what those are. Bend them up, hang the exhaust with that. Very freaking cool. Flowmaster, I'm making a mess. Don't care, cool parts. Now this is the U-Fit Dual Kit. U-Fit Dual Kit. And what we got there is a box full of pipe to make the exhaust on Baby D. Just gonna pick y'all up and bring you over here. So we've got some big old exhaust pipes, y'all, and lots of them. We should be able to take that and make a nice exhaust system for Baby D. Excited. Baby D gonna sound good, y'all. Can't wait. All right, folks, we are out here working on Baby D. Got a good friend sitting in there. He is with Edelbrock and the boost department. Is that correct?
That is
Mr.
correct.
David Page.
That is correct. I'm going to see if I can talk him into putting a supercharger on this thing.
Oh, you might not have to twist my arm too much on that.
You know something about superchargers, don't you, buddy?
A little bit.
But they're usually behind your head.
Yes, exactly. And I don't think we're going to run no nitro through Baby D here, but so David come out here. He's getting the basics set up on the fast system, and fingers crossed this thing might start up tonight. That's the plan anyway.
That is the plan.
It had a 60 minus 2, but at 1/2, crap, I don't remember now. It seems like on the pattern, the missing teeth were high on for one revolution and low for the other.
Okay.
Catch this thing when we start it.
Oh, I just noticed something.
David is awesome to come give me a hand. Like I say, he's the Edelbrock boost guy, but he has a little experience with the fast system, and it's getting pretty late. David has to get up and go to work in the morning. Hopefully, radiator comes in tomorrow. All right, next day. Had David Page over last night and found a couple more little issues. This thing is oh so close to being ready. Got a little surprise coming for you folks. We all know somebody that knows how to operate the keyboard. I'm just saying. Baby D. Oh, so close to running. I'm so ready. Rev her up, dump the clutch, shift some gears. Let's get to work. All right, what I'm working on right now is just made a trip down to Edelbrock Comp. Got some more items from Fast. And so what we got here are a couple of sensors that will let the Fast system and our dash know. We'll do one for fuel pressure and also one for oil pressure. And in the Fast system, you can set it up to where if one of these things go below a predetermined number, it'll shut the engine down. You know, if you lose oil pressure, lose fuel pressure, if it's going lean, whatever the case may be. So it's kind of a safety deal, but I also we are getting closer and closer to nothing on the stock dashboard of Baby D will be really functional. The more we make it modern, the more we're kind of doing away with the stock dash in that thing. And so that's why we got the little Fast dash that we're using, which is this guy right here. So we'll be able to see all the kind of the things you need to see, you know, water temp, oil pressure. Don't necessarily need to see fuel pressure, but we need it. The computer needs that information to help with tuning. So got to get some more wiring in this thing. Baby D is coming together. Been waiting on this one. This is, I'm sure there's some other things to go with it, but this was the last thing that we needed to get Baby D like going. And excited? Look here. Be cool. And that's what Baby D is. Baby D is be cool. Got the radiator in. Let's unbox this bad boy. I can't wait to show y'all. All right, I am super pumped and excited. Again, got the Be Cool radiator in. So I met Justin at Be Cool through Jeff Lutz. Be Cool does all of the radiators Lutz is used for drag week, that sort of thing. And he let me know I will fix Baby D right up. And I'm excited. I actually got a text message with a picture. And this thing looks awesome. Oh man, he sent all kinds of other stuff. We got fans. We got relays. And Justin hooked it up. I don't know what we got in here. No idea. Oh, cool. We got a Be Cool catch can. I was thinking that I was going to have to call Justin today to ask him about the catch can. I don't have to now. That is awesome. Move that box out of the way. More wiring. We need more wiring. Oh, most importantly, did we get, oh, yes we did, the Be Cool radiator cap. That makes you cool right there. Check out the radiator cap, Donna. I know you don't want to be on camera, but this is like a big deal. Check that out.
I want to be cool.
We're gonna be cool. This is freaking beautiful. Oh my goodness. Wow. Wowee. Everybody, look at that. How nice is that? Custom made just for Baby D. It's even got the air condenser back on it, the stock one, which we have another one to go for. Dual fans. This is nice. It's the nicest radiator I've ever had. Be Cool, Justin, thank you. Wow, so nice. So nice. I cannot wait. All right, I'm super excited trying to hurry up and get the radiator put in this thing, but sometimes you got to slow down a little bit. I feel like a kid at Christmas with our new Be Cool radiator. So that is the old air conditioning condenser from Baby D, and you can see that the folks, Justin and everybody at Be Cool, made the mounts just like stock. Well, one of the big partners on the Parts Plus Top Fuel car is Denso. Whether you know it or not, if you drive a car, chances are you've got parts on your car from Denso. So they make all kinds of things. And so I ordered a new air conditioning condenser, and I might as well put it on, even though we're not going to have the air conditioner working just yet on Baby D. It gets hot down here in Tennessee, so at some point we will. So as I get ready to install the radiator, figured I might as well put the new Denso condenser on the back of the new Be Cool radiator. Let's do it. Okay, we got the Denso condenser in. We have the cool piping from Race Part Solution. Big old air filter, big old pipe. Got our airspeed sensor in there, air temp sensor, excuse me. The Be Cool radiator is just so nice, y'all. So nice. Got our little catch can right there. I gotta go get some hose to run down to that. This thing is really looking like it needs a tuner. So this thing is definitely looking like it is ready for a tuner. A guy behind the laptop. And I know a lot of you folks that watch my channel watch PFI Speed. And with that said, if you were paying attention to a video that just come out from Brent, he is on the way here. He's racing in Orlando this weekend. He's going to fly in here. And thanks to David Page, we have figured out why we couldn't get this thing to start. David Page with Edelbrock knows a lot about the fast stuff, and we've got it figured out. So it's time for Brent to come put a tune on this thing, make it run, make it drive, and I'm excited. So Brent's gonna fly in here straight from Orlando, fly here. We'll have a good solid day or so to just kind of get this thing going. Fingers crossed, that we can go to the dyno. Then he and I will hop in the truck. Don't know if it'll be this truck. Don't know if it'll be Baby D, but both of us have got to be at PRI show. Folks, I got to tell you, I cannot thank you all enough for watching, liking, subscribing, sharing, and commenting. But I do want to ask you guys, I was looking on your YouTube, it's a thing called YouTube Studio. If you do videos, you can go and check and see, you know, who's watching, that sort of thing. More than 50%, I think it was like 52 point something percent of people that watch our videos, you're not subscribed. Do me a big favor. Go click the like, subscribe, bell notification, all those things, and that helps me out on the YouTube. So more than 50% of you are not subscribed to the channel. I would really appreciate it if you did. Again, folks, thanks so much. Appreciate it very much. See you guys in the next one.